Hello, Courtney Roulston here. We are going to make a delicious greens and cheese pie. This is packed with gorgeous, vibrant, wilted greens. The whole family will love this one and it is so simple to make. We're going to kick off with the pie filling. So into some extra virgin olive oil, I've got 1 leek that's just been chopped up, along with a couple of cloves of garlic that have been crushed up, pinch of sea salt, and just cook that off until it's soft, 3 to 4 minutes. Next up, I've got 300 grams of baby spinach and kale. These Coles big value packed leaf products are 100% Aussie grown. They're a great convenience and an added bonus to picking these up between the 28th of July and the 7th of September in at Coles. 10 cents from every bag sold will be donated to the Stephanie Alexander Kitchen Garden Foundation. All right, with our kale and spinach mixture, it looks like a lot. You just want to pop a couple of handfuls at a time into the pan, let it wilt down, and we're going to keep on adding this in until it's all wilted and looking gorgeous and vibrant. And just keep adding in until you've used all 300 grams. Now just place that into a bowl and let the mixture cool down. Now in with the remaining pie ingredients, I've got 250 grams of fresh ricotta. This is from in at the deli at Coles. 100 grams of feta, and I've just crumbled that up. I've got 2 green spring onions and some dill that have just been chopped up. Gives a lovely perfume to our pie. And you'll need some parmesan cheese. I'm going to pop half in now and we'll use half on the top of the pie before it goes in the oven. Now to hold all of the pie filling together, you'll need some eggs. I've got 5 free-range eggs and I'm just going to crack these into a bowl. Just break up the eggs with a fork. Now just pour the eggs in with our pie filling. Leave yourself about a tablespoon that we can use as an egg wash for the outside of the pastry. Put in a few good grinds of black pepper and mix this together really well. Now onto the pastry. Of course you can make your own pastry, but we are making this a super quick, easy, no fuss recipe. So I have got 2 sheets of store-bought short crust pastry. I'm just pop them on top of each other. And all you want to do with the 2 sheets of pastry is roll them out into a nice big rectangle. Then just transfer it onto a lined oven tray. I find this is easy to do. Just roll onto your pin and then just roll it back onto the tray. Now place your pie filling into the middle of the pastry and push that out, leaving about a 6 centimeter border. Now all you need to do is just fold in the sides of the pastry on that border. Don't need to be too neat with this. We're making a big rustic family pie. So I find the best way is to just pull it in and pinch, pull in and pinch, pull in and pinch, and then just do that all the way around the outside of the pie. Then just get your reserved egg wash and brush this all around the outside of the pastry. Then a little bit of extra parmesan just over the top. And she's ready for the oven. I've got my oven preheated to 190 degrees. This is only going to take around 30 or 35 minutes to cook. This smells incredible. There she is, big, beautiful and golden. That is my greens and cheese pie. All right guys, get on into Coles and make sure you pick up one of the Coles big value leafy packs and help support the foundation. Whip up this pie. I promise you, you will love it. It is absolute winner.